So here's the second unboxing video. It's Boyfriend's Jeb single My Avatar, if I'm not wrong. So here's the front. I bought the CD version. Here's the CD. I've been hoping for a Korean comeback from them since it's already like 1 year and 4 months around there, and they haven't come back yet, but keep releasing Jeb singles, which is like so this song advertisement. Come on. Okay. There's the front end. This is the lyrics. And it's the back. So whose card did I got this time? This is Hyunsong. Honestly speaking, I'm just gonna keep whoever's card I get now, because it's really very hard to find the Jeb cards. So yeah, this is Hyunsong's My Avatar card, and basically that's the end of this unboxing video too. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.